Sarafina Demathew na Carolyne Demathew nĩ maremetwo kũhitha gĩkeno kĩao na makahotwo mũno nĩ wendo wa mafans na arũmĩrĩri ao. Nĩ ũrĩa makoretwo makĩmasupport, kũmanyitĩrĩra na no mathiĩte na mbere na kũmanyitĩrĩra mũno kũgerera nenda ciao cia ũkinyanĩria. Their fans have never disappointed them. Na just a few days ago, mafans a Carolyne Demathew nĩ marakorirwo makĩmũrequest ahingũre YouTube channel. Nĩ makoretwo manyoteire mũno ũndũ ũcio, kuona Carolyne Demathew mwena wa YouTube, na nĩ maramũthing'ĩrĩirie na kũmũpush aingĩre YouTube, na due to public demand kana due to her fans demand nĩ arahingũrire YouTube channel. Na true to their words, her fans have come out in large numbers to show her massive support. Korea immediately she posted her first video. The first day she joined YouTube, she received more than 4,000 subscribers. Na gũkinyĩria rĩu, she has only done 5 videos. Na her fans still keep flooding her channel. Na rĩu she has hit 10,000 subscribers in less than 5 days. Ũndũ ũrĩa ũmũgegetie mũno na akahotwo nĩ wendo ũyũ wa mafans ake. She personally took to her social media pages to give a special thank you note to all her fans, akimera, "A big thank you to you, family." And then she shared this poster here of her YouTube channel at Carolyne Demathew Official. You can see here she says, "For the 10K subscribers, from the depth of my heart, thank you." Na onake Sarafina Demathew couldn't hide her joy as she took to her social media pages to say thank you to all her fans and followers mwena wa Facebook, whereby she's almost at 200k followers. Na akimera araugire almost at 200k followers on Facebook. Asanteni sana, share this Facebook widely na tutafika pamoja. And they are both very grateful to each of their fans. Mafans ao matire mamarekia. They wouldn't be here matigire haha mari were it not for their fans support. Na for that they will always be grateful. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.